Make a great choice today with the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.